Welcome to our Google Classroom tour for parents and guardians. Before we go any further, I want to make sure you understand that parents cannot be enrolled in Google Classroom with us because you don't have a school district account, and due to student privacy issues, we only allow students to be in our classrooms. But once you get there, and you take a look at the banner, it does point you to the Classwork tab. So before we move there, I just want to explain why the stream pretty much remains empty. I might temporarily post something here, but the stream becomes like a news feed before long, and students, it can be difficult to find things in that long stream of things. So they're much better organized over in the Classwork tab. So at the top, we'll head over to the Classwork tab, and we'll just start from top to bottom. So first off, along with the stream and the classwork, there is a People tab. I'm not going to go there because it would display student names, and for privacy issues, we can't do that. But if students want to see who else is in their class, they want to contact who's in their class, they can do that through the People tab. They won't see grades. That's only a teacher screen. And below that is our Google Meet icon. So when we are live session, this is where students go to click on to join our Google Meet. And at the end of the meet, the teacher receives a spreadsheet of all who were in attendance and for how long and when they entered. So we get all that good information. A Google Calendar, which has all the events for class on it, and a class drive folder, which contains materials for class. The daily live session is what we will use each day when we're live. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. But it will also have an attendance question for every day of the week. Students have two options to take attendance. One, if they come to live session, it reports on the spreadsheet, and so I can then verify their attendance. If they can't make live session, they can answer the engagement question for the day to show that they were in class that day, and that will also get reported as being present. Daily slides are slides that I use with students in class, and they can access them anytime they want. They are my actual slides. They're not a copy, so it's live, and they can follow along as they see fit, or if they miss live session, they can review. Underneath that will be a topic, the most recent topic we are studying. So in this case, it's Plate Motion Engineering Internship. And then when we add more units, it will get added above this, and then push Plate Motion down. Underneath each of the topics are the materials we use and the assignments in order. And students can also see the due date. One thing to mention on the due date is it's not a required due date. It is the day we will address the assignment in class. Students are welcome to turn things in at any point during the grading period. And at the bottom will be class resources. Now, these are just general resources that will apply to class and in some cases school in general. And since I have students from both LSMS and Northlake, you will find that there are links to both schools, for example, library sites for both schools and all LSMS school, classroom. So I encourage you to explore those. One of the most important ones, and I'll have a separate video for this, is the Class Public website. If you're a parent or guardian, we have everything available to you online outside of Google Classroom that we can provide. So that's really kind of the main highlights of what's offered. And I encourage you to explore this with your child if you have questions. If you need anything from me, you can contact me at my email.